Have you ever wondered how LPG gas is made? LPG, or liquefied petroleum gas, powers homes and vehicles. This gas is created from natural gas and crude oil. Let's break down the process into simple steps. First, gather your raw materials. You need natural gas and crude oil for this process. Next, determine the right temperature and pressure. LPG is made in a controlled environment. When raw materials are heated, gas forms. This gas is then cooled and pressurized. Cooling causes the gas to condense into a liquid. This liquid, LPG, can be transported easily. Now, let's look at how this process works. Imagine cooking on a gas stove. That gas needs to be pressurized to work effectively. The same principle applies in making LPG. The raw gas is contained in a sealed chamber. Each part of the process must be precise. Quality is key in producing safe and effective LPG. Now, to summarize, LPG is made from natural gas and crude oil. Heat, pressure, and cooling transform it into liquid form. Careful handling ensures its quality and safety. To learn more about LPG uses, check our next video.